Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Guys, here you can see my result. I have got some interesting results from Crakrevenue CPA network. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of the top method that you can use to get amazing results with Crakrevenue CPA network. I'm going to share with you email marketing for Crakrevenue CPA offer. I'm going to share with you a step by step. Guys, if you are a beginner, then you should watch this full video. Here is a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency, and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can go on Google, you can search your Gmail. You can click here to open this URL. Guys, I'm going to share with you how you can do email marketing for CPA offer. First of all, you need to create Gmail account. You can click on create an account button. You can select any of this option. You can create account for personal use or you can create account for work or business. Now you can click on this button. You can type here your first name and last name. Now you can click on next button. You can select your date of birth. Now you can select your gender. You can click on next button. Here you can see email address. You can select here any of this email. You can click on next button. Now you can type your password. You can confirm password and then you can click on next button. After creating Gmail account, you can click on more button. Now you can click on manage labels button. You can click on general. Now you can scroll down. Guys, here you can see auto reply section. You can turn on this auto reply message. You can select your date. You can select any of this date. You can type your attractive subject. You can type your message. You can upload your image. You can click on this image icon. You can paste your image URL. You can go on Google. You can search your girl's image. Click on images. Here you can see there are a lot of girls' images. You can choose any of this image. For example, you can click here to open this image. Now you can right click here. You can click on copy image address button. Now you can go on Gmail. You can paste your image address. Here you can see image. You can click on insert button. Here you can see image. Now you can customize this image. You can select this image. Here you can see image size. You can select a small image size. Guys, you can also upload here any kind of girl's image. You can click on image icon. You can click on Google Drive. Click on upload. You can click on browse button. You can upload here any kind of image. Now you can select this image. You can customize its size. You can type here this kind of attractive articles. You can select this text. You can insert your CPA link on this text. Guys, I'm going to use Crakrevenue CPA network. This is a best CPA network. This CPA network have high paying CPA offers. Crakrevenue is based and trusted CPA network. Here you can see this CPA network has got 4.2 star ratings on Trustpilot. First of all, you will have to create account on this CPA network. You can click on sign up button. It will then take you to this page. You can sign up with Google or you can type your first name, last name, your email address, password. You can read and accept your terms of service. You can verify this CAPTCHA. At last, you can click on create affiliate account button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see my result. Here you can see this year total payout. You can click on offers button. I'm going to choose this offer. Here you can see there are a lot of CPA offers to choose from. I'm going to use a smart link. Guys, this CPA offer is available worldwide. That's why I'm going to use a smart link. Click here to open this CPA offer. Here you can see promotion methods. You can click on emails button. Guys, here you can see CPA link. You can click here to copy this CPA link. Now you can go on Gmail. You can select any of this text. Now you can click on this link icon. You can paste your CPA link. Now click on apply button. Here you can see I have successfully inserted CPA link on this text. Similarly, you can insert your more CPA link on this text. Now at last, you can click on Save Changes button. Now you can go on Google Gemini. You can click on Images button. You can type your prompt. You can type for this kind of prompt. Now you can click on this button. Now you need to wait some time. Guys, here you can see image and here you can see text on this image. You can generate more attractive image. You can click here to download this image. Now in next step what you will have to do is you can go on Facebook, you can search your dating, you can click on groups button, you can enable public groups. Here you can see there are a lot of Facebook groups. All these groups have thousands of members. You can open any of this group. Here you can see this group have more than 6,000 members. If you will create post on this group, then your post will be reached to all these members. You can click here. Now you can upload your image. You can click on this image icon. You can select this image, click on open button. Now you can click on post button. Guys, here you can see my post has published successfully on this group. This post will be reached to all these members. This group have more than 6,000 members. When user will say hi on this email address, then they can receive automatically email. Let me show you example. User can visit on Gmail, they can click on this button. Now they can type your email address. Here is showing email address. They can type your email address. Now they can type your hi. User can click on send button. Here you can see this message has sent successfully. And here you can see I have automatically got email. Here you can see message. And here you can see clickable text. When user will click on this text, then Crakrevenue CPA network will show CPA offers according to user. When that user will complete the required step, then Crakrevenue network may credit your account. So guys, this is a top method to get amazing results with Crakrevenue CPA network. You can share this image on all social media networks to get lots of users. You can use hot girls images to get more engagements. Guys, this video is for educational purposes only. Results may vary. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.